Hi guys, today we're here to talk about rapid dissolve tablets, also known as RDTs, and some of the options we have to make this innovative and versatile dosage form. RDTs quickly melt in the mouth, allowing the API to be released, surrounded by a sweet, flavored powder. It offers patients a customizable, portable, and easy-to-use option for medications. They're anhydrous, providing extended default beyond use dating, which can allow compounders to incorporate drugs that are not stable in an aqueous dosage form. They can be taken orally without the need for water or held in the mouth for buccal or sublingual absorption and dissolve quickly. This means they can be the perfect solution for patients with otherwise limited dosing options. This small, portable dosage form also makes it great to carry in a pocket, purse, or backpack without the inconveniences of a liquid. At PCCA, we have two base options for creating RDTs: our original and highly popular Rapid Dissolve Tablet Powder and the newly released RDT-Plus. RDT-Plus is formulated without sugar, artificial sweeteners, gluten, casein, dairy, soy, and dyes, alleviating certain dietary concerns. It allows compounders to make RDTs more quickly and offers a lower temperature baking option to accommodate temperature-sensitive APIs. As always, our products are backed by the PCCA standard, our commitment to giving you confidence when compounding.